Hello, New Bedford Public Schools community. We have finally come to the end of this very interesting and challenging school year. Your support continues to be appreciated as you work to keep students and staff safe going into the summer. Please get vaccinated as the virus still exists and the vaccine is still the best protection to eliminate the spread. We've partnered with the City of New Bedford Health Department to support the vaccination process, so please stay tuned and check our website. First, thank you for your time for the next few minutes. I want to congratulate all of the 2021 high school graduates who will do great things in the future, and to our younger students moving up to middle school and to the high school, the class of 2025. Best of luck to our athletic team still competing in the playoffs, and nice job to those who have completed their seasons. I'm extremely proud of your efforts. I've been tremendously encouraged by the creativity that many of our students, staff, and parents used during these last 15 months, along with your dedication and overall compassion and care. Throughout this interesting school year, we continue to visit classes both in person and virtually. We conducted data meetings to support schools. We worked to maintain family and community engagement through many virtual meetings. We continue to work to strengthen our curriculum and assess progress with necessary district-wide benchmark assessments and universal advanced placement exams. We are at a pivotal time in our lives as people are coming together to truly recognize the injustices of the past and to push for progress. I view the shifting mindset as an opportunity for growth and to create more access for all people. Understanding our history is critical, and we should embrace it and learn from it so that the tragedies of the past are not repeated. We must continue to analyze the impact of choices so that we can do better. We must take this time to share our perspectives, but we have to listen to those of others. Our collective and individual strength come from the relationships that we have with one another. It is how we treat those we encounter in our daily lives. We balance the shifting CDC guidelines and the frequently updated DESE requirements regarding appropriate distancing, plexiglass use, mask wearing, etc., to ensure that students and staff were in safe environments. We have committed our New Bedford Public Schools staff who in all positions have served very specific purposes. As we're connected to more than 9,000 students that we served in person at least 2 days a week, including 700 students who were in school 5 days per week since September, in addition to the almost 4,000 students who were in the distance learning platform for most of the school year. So remember, New Bedford Public Schools is the largest school system in Massachusetts, serving the most amount of students during this time. You should be proud of what our team has been able to do. Their commitment goes without saying. Speaking of CDC guidelines, mask restrictions have been removed as we close this school year. For those not vaccinated, it is encouraged that you wear them while indoors this summer. However, as of now, we are not requiring masks to be worn this summer or in the fall when classes resume. So I really appreciate your understanding as we continue to fight the COVID-19 virus. We have partnered with the City of New Bedford Health Department to support the vaccination process, so please stay tuned. Also, thank you for taking the time to complete the survey regarding school discipline as we work with the Rennie Center, a Boston-based education research organization, to assess our New Bedford Public Schools discipline practices and the use of school resource officers in our buildings. I plan to share my decision regarding the next steps for the school resource officers at the New Bedford Public Schools July School Committee meeting. So this will be after we've received the reports from the Rennie Center, including the survey information that we hope that everyone completes. The Elementary and Secondary Emergency Education Relief Fund, or ESSER. These funds from the federal government will allocate a substantial amount of money to New Bedford Public Schools over the next 2 to 3 years. So aligned with the feedback that parents have shared over the last 2 years, our focus remains to ensure access for all our students, so they are equipped with the tools to maximize their potential. We've partnered with the United Interfaith Action Committee to help obtain this feedback. So if you have not completed the survey and wish to do so, you can find it on our Facebook page. Equity is a driving force as it is about providing resources to help those who are in the most need to level the playing field. It is about providing opportunities that transcend barriers. We must continue to support one another and cultivate a generation that understands how to be compassionate to others and knows what kindness looks like. A reminder for summer programming: we will provide academic support, enrichment opportunities, transportation, breakfast, and lunch for all students. So remember, elementary schools, high schools, extended year services, and the English language learner programs will run 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Monday through Friday from July 6th to July 30th. Middle school ELA and Math Acceleration Academies will run Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 12 p.m., but will start on July 5th and end on July 30th. Through our partnership with the City of New Bedford Parks and Recreation and Beaches, students will have supervised afternoon activities at parks across the city after they finish their school programs at noon. So again, please see the New Bedford Public Schools website for more details. Also, a reminder that kindergarten registration is still open, so please call for your screening appointment at the Family Registration Center. You can call 508-997-4511, extension 14652. In closing, I want to thank our principals again for their leadership, our teachers, our office staff, our support teams in all areas, our cafeteria teams. But I also want to give a special shout out to our building service and custodial teams for their tireless work for the installation of the air movers, the plexiglass, the constant disinfecting, you name it, they did it. Thank you. And to our New Bedford Public Schools Health Department, our nurses, they did amazing work. Without all of you, we would not have been able to do what we've done these last 15 months. So again, thank you very much. Stay proactive. We must keep washing and sanitizing our hands, keeping appropriate distance when necessary. So let's please not let our guard down this summer. Let's continue to fight this virus. Get vaccinated. Practice good hygiene. Again, hand washing, covering our mouths when we sneeze or cough. So please, thank you for doing your part. Keep checking our website, newbedfordpublicschools.org, or our Facebook page to stay updated, or call our family support line at 508-997-4515 for any help with any topic. So please think of others. Have a wonderful and safe summer. Thank you.